All right, that looks so pretty. That's what we have. I like it. So now next we're going to figure out our papers, and I also have some bags. This I can, cover up. Just different colored bags. That might be pretty. Possibly. And then I'm going to have piles. I'll have my little golden book signatures here. I'm going to have thicker cardstock. I'm going to have thinner scrapbook paper. Then I'm going to have, book pages and graph paper, music paper. And I want about 11 per signature. So I always start out with the thicker. And this is really pretty. I think I'll start out with this. And so we want 11. So we're going to go like that. And then I usually put this. Oh, you know what? We got to cut these down. We got to cut our book pages just a little. And we're going to go 6 inches across. Hopefully we don't cut anything, words or anything, but you'll have to cut a little bit off. 6 by 7.5, I believe, right? Yeah. So I'll usually just take a little bit off the bottom, and then I'll see if I need to do more right here. 7.5, and I do just a little bit. Okay, then we'll do this one. 6. Do a little off the top. And a little off the bottom, 7.5. Okay, we got that. Let's take our first page from the little golden book. So we got 1, 2, and then I'll look and see, what might look good. Well, one of these might be good. That's kind of pretty too, but I think I'll go with this. So we got 1, 2, 3. Let's do a children's book page with the goats. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll do a little ledger page. And how about one of these wrapping papers? And then right about now, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can shuffle them around later, but then I like to put a thicker one here. Let's see. Maybe we'll go with this. Okay. But I think I'm going to put another page here. So we'll put this here. That's pretty. Is that what we want there? Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, now how many more do we need? Sorry, I keep going back and forth. That's how I do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we want 3 more. Let's do a music page. And how about another book page? And let's see, maybe one of these. That's really pretty with this. And then might be time for a thicker one, which I end with. I think we'll go with this. And then you can switch them too, like if you want to have them going this way instead of this way. And we can do that. Let's see. So I need to put this in yet too. Let's go. I kind of had that winter page on the other one. Do I have anything that kind of says winter? Oh, when the trees are, yeah, winter song. Look at that. So we'll go this way, and that will say winter song. Kind of matches that then. Perfect. Okay, and then if we add that in the middle, what do we have? And then I'm going to put a bag in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, we get a lot in here. 11, 12, 13, 14. So maybe I won't do the wrapping paper. Okay, let me figure this out and I'll get back with you. Okay, I took out a few things because I want 11 because I got 3 signatures and I don't want it to be too bulky. So I got a thick, I got a little golden book, I got a book page, children's book page, a little golden book page. I have a thicker scrapbook paper or cardstock. I have a book page, I have a lightweight, I have the book page, the little golden book. I have another book page and I have the thicker. Now I'm going to put a bag in. Would this be pretty? I think it would. Or should I do the pink? That pink, blue, red. Okay. I think I'll do pink here. And then each signature will be something like that. And I also did make some envelopes out of scrapbook paper. And when it's like this, you could just cut it here, you know, when you have this. Cut that. Get that piece cut off. And then what you can do is glue this or sew it. Just all these here. And then I'm going to fold it in half. And before I sew everything in too, I do crease all my papers. So that will be cute for this signature. So that one will be ready. And then I'm going to continue on the other ones, which will be similar. I think I'll use, you know, this and maybe, I don't know, maybe one of the signatures I won't put something in. I'm not sure. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to continue putting those together. All right, got 3 signatures. That was the first one. Put that little pink bag in there. This is the second and the third. And what I do also is try to coordinate, you know, the colors when they're, you know, sewn in. So basically, and then the middle one, I have, since there's only 2 little golden book pages, signatures, this middle one will just be all, you know, without the little golden book pages, but it will have, you know, the variety of pages in them. And I'm going to put that one in the middle, I think. And then just something that I did too is, for this, I wanted this page because it talks about Baxter the billy goat, and but it did cut off some things, so I just added, this is a candle, and then here is to light me to bed, so it finishes it. And this one is, in Mrs. Hop Robin Way, up in her nest is rocking her tired little babies to rest. So, and this I think is the rest of that story, I think. But so yeah, so the middle signature will just be pages without little golden book pages, because we have 3 signatures. And then I've got this one. I did add this envelope. It's a little bigger, but once you add, you know, laces to, or trims to the side, this will be fine. And then that will be sewn in there. So now, before I sew them in for the journal, it's going to be so pretty. I am going to go through and do stamping or stenciling to the blank pages, or I'm going to do something. I could even do like a flip of, you know, some paper that would flip up, or I could even add, if I trim this right here, then I could glue that here and it could flip out too. So I'm going to go through and maybe do stamping and stenciling and adding things, and then I will come back with that.